Don't fall off the edge, Trev. Be very careful. If you fall down there, you're done. That's a long way down into the ocean. Down into the rocks.
Look at these feathers.
Get away from the edge, Trev. You slip, you fall into there. It's not very good. Beautiful out here. So that's Cushion Cove B&B over there. Dry. Very, very dry.
The seal, Joe.
Where's the seal? Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Lots of seals. Harbor seal.
Tons of food.
Here, Lola. Your magic wand.
Where is it? Where is it? Come back up.
Curious seal.
Feathers. Like a little. People making.
Beautiful cove. It's probably cactus that grows around here. Down on the edges. That's where you usually find cactus growing along the slopes.
Remember when we went there? Wait, Mama.
It's very, very dry. It would be warm. It'd be warm in there.
Yeah. Right over here.
It's very nice. That's a nice house there. It is beautiful. Nice fresh air.
Find out how much charges for a B&B in the winter.
Stay there.
Come stay here.
It's like we're on our own island, but it seems like we're a million miles away. From the very south end. There's a good 20-minute hike into here too.
You want a what?
Through the forest.
Yeah.
Be able to see the ferries cruise past here. So that'd be Pender Island over there.
Oh yeah.
Prevost Pender.
Pender?
That's probably Pender there.
Yeah, you get kind of turned around. That spot, so that big mound is
Probably-
Galiano.
Is it Galliano? I'm
Yeah.
disorientated.
So the ferry will go by.
Lots of feathers here.
Lots of poop here.
Yeah.
Make sure Catherine doesn't.
Hear the crickets? There's lots of crickets.